Kindly like, subscribe and comment to get daily updates. Nikhil Holdings Private Limited, Promoter Group, disposed 26.44 thousand shares of AARTI Industries worth 2.67 crore rupees via a market sale. Valiant Organics Limited, Promoter Group, disposed 10.00 thousand shares of AARTI Industries worth 1.01 crore rupees via a market sale. Gautam S. Adani and Rajesh S. Adani, on behalf of S.B. Adani Family Trust, Promoter Group, revoked 74.60 lakh shares of Adani Ports in Special Economic Zone worth 266.66 crore rupees via revocation of pledged. Aditya T. Malkani, Promoter and Director, acquired 50.00 thousand shares of ADOR FONTECH worth 16.95 lakh rupees via market purchase. Ravi P. Agrawal Trustee Ravi Agrawal Trust, Promoter, revoked 2.40 lakh shares of Ajanta Pharma worth 39.78 crore rupees via pledged released. Sangrees Properties and Investments Company PVT, Promoter Group, revoked 1.25 lakh shares of Apollo Tyres worth 1.62 crore rupees via pledged released. Gautam S. Adani, Rajesh S. Adani on behalf of S.B. Adani Family Trust, Promoter Group, revoked 53.50 lakh shares of Adani Transmission worth 125.08 crore rupees via revocation of pledged. KAUSHALKUMARS Gupta, Promoter and Director, acquired 1,000 shares of Bansal Roofing Products worth 32.50 thousand rupees via off-market. Narayan Sabu Carter, Narayan Sabu, Promoter Group, acquired 24.55 thousand shares of Bigbloc Construction worth 9.60 lakh rupees via market purchase. Arunal Agappan, Promoter, revoked 13.60 thousand shares of Carborundum Universal worth 34.98 lakh rupees via pledged released. Prachi Bavari Employed disposed 860 shares of CRISIL worth 15.14 lakh rupees via a market sale. Anil BMBOLI, designated person, disposed 2.00 thousand shares of HDFC Asset Management Company worth 47.26 lakh rupees via market sale. Manisha, designated person, disposed 1.50 thousand shares of HDFC Asset Management Company worth 35.39 lakh rupees via market sale. BHADSAVALE Suraj, designated person, disposed 1,000 shares of Housing Development Finance Corp. worth 18.15 lakh rupees via a market sale. John Bobby, designated person, disposed 1,000 shares of Housing Development Finance Corp. worth 18.04 lakh rupees via a market sale. Mittal Rajiv, designated person, disposed 2.50 thousand shares of Housing Development Finance Corp. worth 45 lakh rupees via a market sale. Tiwari Manish, designated person, pledged 3.20 thousand shares of Housing Development Finance Corp. worth 57.31 lakh rupees via creation of pledged. Madhuburu Gopalli, connected person, acquired 6.00 thousand shares of ICICI Prudential Life Insurance Company worth 22.74 lakh rupees via ESOP. Shripati Benu, other acquired 27.14 thousand shares of IIFL Finance worth 16.68 lakh rupees via ESOP. Infosys Employee Benefits Trust, disposed 2.87 lakh shares of Infosys worth 27.50 crore rupees via off-market. Rajesh Varya, designated person, acquired 1.70 thousand shares of Infosys worth 16.23 lakh rupees via ESOP. Venkatramana Gosavi, designated person, disposed 4.40 thousand shares of Infosys worth 42.28 lakh rupees via a market sale. Pradeep Singh Johar, promoter, acquired 77.60 thousand shares of JAMNA Auto Industries worth 30.17 lakh rupees via market purchase. Ajay Mishra, designated person, disposed 30.00 thousand shares of JM Financial worth 22.79 lakh rupees via market sale. Anil Salvi, designated person, disposed 18.28 thousand shares of JM Financial worth 14.50 lakh rupees via a market sale. Sonia Dasgupta, designated person, acquired 5 shares of JM Financial Products worth 10.02 lakh rupees via market. Vishal Kampani, director, acquired 50 shares of JM Financial Products worth 1 crore rupees via market. VRAJVIRTHAN, promoter and director, disposed 52.08 thousand shares of L.G.BALAKRISHNAN and Bros, worth 1.14 crore rupees via market sale. Asha Kiran Cherukhuri, promoter group, acquired 2.50 lakh shares of LOKESH machines worth 0 rupees via gift. Mullapudi Vijayalakshmi, promoter group, disposed 2.50 lakh shares of LOKESH machines worth 0 rupees via gift. K. Ramakrishna Rao, designated person, disposed 5.00 thousand shares of Laurus Labs worth 56 lakh rupees via a market sale. V. Santi, employee's immediate relative, acquired 3.00 thousand shares of Laurus Labs worth 31.32 lakh rupees via market purchase. Venugopala Rao MALEMPATI, director, acquired 4.00 thousand shares of Laurus Labs worth 43.14 lakh rupees via market purchase. Ashish Natwarlal Soparkar, director, acquired 100.00 thousand shares of MEGHMANI Organics worth 66.51 lakh rupees via market purchase. Girish Arun Managali, immediate relative, disposed 871 shares of MINDTREE worth 10.02 lakh rupees via a market sale. Max Ventures Investment Holdings Private, promoter, pledged 30.00 thousand shares of Max Financial Services worth 1.57 crore rupees via creation of. Pledged, Atul Lal, employee's immediate relative, acquired 70.00 thousand shares of Max Ventures in Industries worth 26.60 lakh rupees via market purchase. Emza Purva Purohit, director, disposed 15.00 lakh shares of Music Broadcast worth 2.84 crore rupees via a market sale. A9 Homes Private, promoter group, acquired 50.00 thousand shares of NAVA Bharat Ventures worth 26.38 lakh rupees via market purchase. A9 Homes Private Revised, promoter group, acquired 50.00 thousand shares of NAVA Bharat Ventures worth 26.38 lakh rupees via market purchase. Sultan Amir Beg, other, acquired 5.00 thousand shares of NAVA Bharat Ventures worth 2.65 lakh rupees via market purchase. Sultan Amir Beg Revised, KMP, acquired 5.00 thousand shares of NAVA Bharat Ventures worth 2.65 lakh rupees via market purchase. Poonam Talwar, connected person, acquired 9.32 thousand shares of NITCO worth 2 lakh rupees via market purchase. Mr. Vishal V. Patel, designated person, disposed 300 shares of PAUSHAK worth 12.21 lakh rupees via a market sale. Mr. Ajay Kumar Sharma Trustee, Trust, disposed 6.24 thousand shares of Pi Industries worth 39.93 lakh rupees via ESOP. Giridhar Sitaram, employee, disposed 1,000 shares of PIDILITE Industries worth 13.97 lakh rupees via a market sale. Portluri Laboratories Private, Other, acquired 4.22 lakh shares of SMS Pharmaceuticals worth 3.94 crore rupees via market purchase. Ramesh Babu Potluri, Director, disposed 4.22 lakh shares of SMS Pharmaceuticals worth 3.94 crore rupees via a market sale. Manish Kumar Raichansha, Promoter and Director, acquired 1.50 crore shares of Seacoast Shipping Services worth 22.73 crore rupees via preferential offer. Nandakumar Krishnachar, designated person, disposed 20.00 thousand shares of Syngene International worth 98.55 lakh rupees via a market sale. Tata Sons Private, Promoter, acquired 49.06 crore shares of Tata Power CO worth 2,600 crore rupees via preferential offer. Alok Palashikar, designated person, acquired 1,000 shares of Tech Mahindra worth 7.78 lakh rupees via ESOP. Basanta Kumar Mishra, designated person, acquired 9.00 thousand shares of Tech Mahindra worth 64.89 lakh rupees via ESOP. Basanta Kumar Mishra, designated person, disposed 1,000 shares of Tech Mahindra worth 7.13 lakh rupees via a market sale. Harshwendra Singh, designated person, disposed 1.50 thousand shares of Tech Mahindra worth 10.80 lakh rupees via a market sale. Nilesh Otti, designated person, acquired 3.15 thousand shares of Tech Mahindra worth 17.31 lakh rupees via ESOP. Sujit Baxi, designated person, disposed 3.00 thousand shares of Tech Mahindra worth 21.17 lakh rupees via a market sale. Shivanand Raja, designated person, disposed 1.50 thousand shares of Tech Mahindra worth 10.56 lakh rupees via a market sale. Ravinder Gupta Huff, Promoter Group, disposed 12.40 thousand shares of Titan Biotech worth 17.97 lakh rupees via a market sale. Jayalakshmi Venkataraman, Promoter, disposed 5.17 thousand shares of Ultramarine and Pigments worth 14.22 lakh rupees via a market sale. S. Narayan, Promoter Group, disposed 1.30 thousand shares of Ultramarine and Pigments worth 3.58 lakh rupees via a market sale. Sridhar Sundararajan, Promoter, disposed 6.92 thousand shares of Ultramarine and Pigments worth 18.91 lakh rupees via a market sale. Sachit Jain, Promoter and Director, acquired 4.00 thousand shares of Vardhaman Special Steels worth 2.77 lakh rupees via market purchase. Apan Iyer, designated person, acquired 6.40 thousand shares of Wipro worth 17.99 lakh rupees via ESOP. Kapil Sharma, designated person, disposed 3.00 thousand shares of Wipro worth 8.43 lakh rupees via a market sale. Saurabh Govil, designated person, acquired 32.00 thousand shares of Wipro worth 89.94 lakh rupees via ESOP.